Nestled in the Tallebudgera Valley, just moments from the Queensland-New South Wales border, is this gem of a spot. It's called Jandarra, a stunning site that you can find on Hipcamp. The location is a winner, hands down, but it's made even better by the extras that host Tania offer.
One of the things I ordered from this trip was an extra the host offered, organic muesli with Jandarra fruit. Can't wait to hook into this breakfast.
Brooke is from Hipcamp and recently spent a night at Jandarra. Half a luck.
Well, we're heading to the sauna now. It's really a unique and quirky thing. I don't think you'll find any campsites with a sauna. It's an infra-red sauna.
There are plenty of facilities, including showers, toilets, and a camp kitchen fit for a chef.
So this is my home on wheels for the night. I've booked this through Camplify. It's the Wanderlust. Everything you need, including power, full solar.
Pop-top trailers are also on offer if you don't have camping gear or if you just can't be bothered bringing it. I'm told the name Jandarra means place of peace, and you know what? I reckon they got it right. You can find hundreds of other properties like Jandarra by heading online to hipcamp.com or download the app.